Okay, so I will show you what happens if we try to run that. So this is my site's general settings. As you can see, FTP transfer is on. Everything is connected with our FileZilla. Well, that doesn't matter, but I will quickly show you our permissions that we have given this is 777. So read write execute, and in here that's 666, so read and write. Well, let's go to this site. So as you can see, install works. I will quickly reload it just to make sure. Yeah, now if I tap install, continue to step 4, it's showing me this error. So I don't have really any idea what's going on. We have tried in different computers as well, but yeah, this is the issue. Thank you.